Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Here at the end of the week, I've had a fairly decent week. Made back some of the losses I had last week with the Apex accounts, and pushed a bit with the Bullinox accounts too. So in terms of my trading today, took a sell. We've been running up, and I couldn't find an entry long. And usually I look for trend trades, but the entry looked really too good there. Double top there on the 2 minute chart. It looked like that. So we had the what I call an induction candle, so candle with the long body, a long wick down at the highs, and then an engulfment candle. And I like those candles as reversal candles, reversal patterns, I guess. And yeah, it ended up working out. Working out. I waited for a bit of a pullback on this one. I think it was around 60 to 80 ticks stop loss, and yeah, just waiting for the take profit to be hit. I was a bit worried when we came up this high, but it did work out in the end. And fairly glad that I took that trade, because if I'd waited and tried to take a long out of like a trend trade long, probably would have lost out here. So fairly happy I got that trade, and now these accounts are starting to look a little bit better. Hopefully I can push them up to 50,000 and get back to where I started from before the sort of tilt week of the first week of trading this strategy. In terms of the 5 minute strategy, another good day with that. That's been going really well. I think I've had 2 losses with that in the last 2 weeks, so sitting at 7% rate, that's decent. I like that. It's pretty much what I would expect for my strategy. If I'm performing fairly well, if I'm following the strategy fairly well, that's pretty much what I would expect. So happy with that. And it was a fairly simple one today. We had this breakaway gap in the overnight session, pulled back into it, just used it as support. You can see right here we tapped it and then used it as support, and then we were just running up from there. So I was just looking to get with the trend, and once we formed these double bullish fair value gaps and rejected that level, I wanted to get in there. I was a little bit late in that entry, but it was fine. I got in here, stop at, I think it was around this level, uh, covering this volume imbalance, looking for a 1-to-1, and played out after around 20 minutes. So really good trade, and it's another example of a trade that I could have held for longer. I've been noticing that quite a bit recently. I'll keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on it for now. But most of my trades where I do win, I win. Most of them do reach 1.5R, 2R. So I'm just keeping an eye on that, and then maybe at some point I'll look to increase my my reward to risk. So aim for maybe 2 times my risk, something like that. The only issue with that is with the trading drawdown with Apex. I don't think it would work. I might have to decrease the size to do that. So maybe it's something to think about when I'm over the threshold. But yeah, for now, I'm happy with my strategy. It's going really well. These accounts are up a decent amount, and they're looking fairly good right now. But yeah, that's all from me this week. I'm going to call it there, and I'll be back next week, next Monday. Hope you've had a good day. Hope you've had a good week, and enjoy your weekend. Bye.